Hey buddy! If you want these quirky info videos to pop up in your eyes like a circus show, then subscribe to our channel and give that bell icon a solid whack.
I have undergone tubectomy operation. If I want to have children again, is there a chance to conceive once more? Please explain in detail.
Tubectomy is a permanent method of contraception in women. In this procedure, the fallopian tubes that carry the egg from the ovaries to the uterus are cut and tied or blocked with clips or rings. Normally, the egg is released from the ovary and travels through the tube to the uterus where it meets the sperm to form a pregnancy. In tubectomy, these tubes are cut or blocked in the middle so the egg cannot reach the uterus and pregnancy does not occur. But this is not always irreversible. If you later desire children again, there is a surgical option to reconnect the tubes called tubal reanastomosis or tuboplasty. This is a microsurgery performed by a plastic surgeon or fertility specialist using laparoscopy or open surgery. The cut ends of the tubes on both sides are carefully stitched back together with fine sutures so that the tube becomes functional again. Once rejoined, the egg can travel through the tube to the uterus and meet the sperm for natural conception. However, success is not 100% for everyone. The success rate ranges from 40 to 80%. It depends heavily on your age. Women under 35 have higher chances. The time elapsed since the tubectomy also matters. The longer the gap, the more damage the tubes may have. The type of tubectomy is important too. If clips or rings were used, reversal is easier. If the tubes were completely cut and removed, it can be more difficult. After reversal surgery, wait a few months and get an HSG test to check if the tubes are open. The reversal operation can be expensive and carries a slightly higher risk of infection or ectopic pregnancy. Therefore, first consult a gynecologist or fertility specialist and undergo laparoscopy to assess the condition of the tubes. If reversal is not feasible, then IVF or test tube baby is a good alternative. In IVF, eggs are taken from the ovaries, fertilized with sperm in the lab, and the embryo is placed directly into the uterus. Tubes are not needed, so IVF often gives better results when reversal is not possible. Whatever option you choose, always take proper medical advice. Emotional stress is also high in such cases, so counseling is recommended. Many women have successfully had children after tubectomy through reversal or IVF and are living happily. You too can consult the right doctor, evaluate your situation, and choose the safe path. There is no need to worry because modern medicine offers many possibilities.